Hi guys, in this expression 4 divided by 4 divided by 4 divided by 4, how can we find the value of this expression? Remember that whenever more than one division in an expression, then we can solve it from left to right. So firstly we can solve it from left to right. 4 divided by 4, which is equal to 1, divided by 4 divided by 4. Okay guys, now in next step 1 divided by 4 I can write is 1 divided by 4 divided by 4. Now according to KCF rule, where K stand for keep, C stand for change and F stand for flip, I can write it as 1 divided by 4 times 4 times 1 upon 4. Now here multiply numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator. So the final answer of this expression is 1 divided by 16. Guys, anywhere an issue, then comment. I will reply your question, and kindly subscribe to the channel for more videos. So the final answer of this expression is 1 divided by 16. Thanks a lot.